gotta show you all this real quick before we get started. Look at that. My baby's so. Okay, anyways, moving on. Come on, let's go up here. There we go. Right here. My dog gets a chair now. She is her own little person. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to teach you about ISOs today. Basically, an ISO is... It's like... Because I'm just learning about Instagram and like all the camera details and stuff like that. ISO is basically light sensitivity. So, like, on a short camera, you can look it up. You can, like, type in your ISO thing and see what yours can go up to. It should be able to go up to 3200, which is... ranges from 100 to 3200. It goes 100, 200, or 100, 200, 400, 800, 16, 3200, 6400. Mine goes up to 64. So basically, an ISO is 100 is for bright sunny days, right? That's when you like want to take a picture, and it won't get so grainy and look like a pixelated version of it. It's the best way I can describe it. It's something filmmakers call grainy. Yeah. And then like the ISO for 3200 is basically like for lower sensitivity light. So if it was really dark and you took a picture, you could see better with the ISO of 3200 or 6400, depending on how like you want to do it. But if you took it like in a bright area, like outside and it was sunny, it would make the picture look white because it's only set for that certain light sensitivity. That's basically what it is. And that's all I wanted to talk to you about. Stop, Samuel. Jeez. How did you get behind me? Gosh. Almost made me. It's not cool. Just, jeez, go doing this. Not feed myself. My tinkle. So go tell the camera goodbye. What are you doing, Wakanda? Alright, well, anyways, say goodbye, Emily. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, baby. Bye. Okay, alright. Deuces.